Hello everyone, this is Rosie, your Speak Like a Local Teacher. Kumusta kamong tanan o maayong adlaw? Karong adlaw atong hisgutan or we're going to be talking about Cebuano personal pronoun. So, what is personal pronoun? Unsa man ang gamit sa personal pronoun? So, ang gamit sa personal pronoun is to replace a proper name of a person, singular or plural form. In Cebuano, ginagamit kini nga pampuli sa ngalan sa tawo, isahan o daghanan nga porma. So, in Cebuano naatay pito ka personal pronoun. Tulo ka singular pronoun ug upat ka plural personal pronoun. So, ang singular personal pronoun mao kini ang ako or ko, in English I or me. It is the first person singular pronoun. Next is ikaw or ka, you. It is the second person singular pronoun. Next is siya, he or she, third person singular pronoun. So those are the singular personal pronoun. Next, we have the plural form kita or in short ta, we or us. This is the first person plural including the listener or the person you are talking to. So, we. In Cebuano, we have two versions of we. We have the kita and kami. The next version of we is kami or me, we or us. It is also the first person plural, but in this case excluding the listener or the second person. Okay, we'll talk more about it later in this lesson. Next is kamo. Kamo or mo, you or all of you. So it is also plural form. Second person, which is excluding the speaker. So kamo lang. So me as a speaker is not included. Okay? Kamo lang adto na mo. Go ahead. All of you go ahead. So I will be staying. So I'm not included as a speaker. So kamo. That's how you use kamo. Next, for they is sila. Sila kay mga estudyante. Moadto na sila. They are going now. So moadto na sila. So those are the personal pronoun in Cebuano. Okay? Sila is they. Now moving on, let's discuss about ako or ko. I or me, first person singular pronoun, we have the subjective case and the objective case. So we use ako at the beginning of the sentence. Ako si James. So it's the subject. Alright? So I am James. So we use ko for the objective case. It is at the end or at the middle of the sentence. Si James ko. Okay? Nasabtan ba? Ko. So what is the difference is objective and subjective case. Kung mag-una ang ako, so you use ako if it is at the beginning of the sentence. But if it is at the end or at the middle of the sentence, we use ko. Okay? Next, ikaw or ka. You, it is the second person singular pronoun. So, the same principle applies, subjective and objective case. Ikaw si James, di ba? So you're James, right? So you use ikaw. So when you say si James ka, di ba? So it is ka. You don't say si James ikaw, di ba? So literally it's correct, but sounds more awkward for native speaker. So you use ka in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Ikaw akong nakita gahapon. So I saw you yesterday. Gahapon is yesterday. Ikaw. So, subject. Alright? Next, nakita ka nako gahapon. So, it's in the middle of the sentence, so you use ka. Nasabtan ba? Sige, padayon ta sa third person singular pronoun, which is the he or she. Sa Cebuano is siya. Okay? Siya, siya. So, third person, siya, si Jane. She is Jane. So, si Jan, siya akong buutan nga amiga. She is my kind friend. Buutan, kind. Friend, amiga. So, the gender here is specified as amiga. So, it's she. But if you don't specify the gender, you can use barkada. Barkada is like friend as well, but in general, siya akong buutan nga barkada. So I didn't specify the gender of my friend. Okay, barkada. Next, siya akong papa. He's my father. Siya akong mama. She's my mother. So, okay. Akong here is, this is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so we will talk about that on the next lesson. Next, we move on to plural form. First is the kita or ta, we or us. This is the first version of we. Okay, so in this example, you can see the picture. Maybe the girl in this picture asking her father, asa ta moadto? So, the father answer, moadto ta sa baybay or moadto kita sa baybay. We are going to the beach. So, kita. So, the speaker is included. All right. Here, in this another example here, what if someone who is not part of the family asks the same question? The question will be like this: asa kamo moadto? So, moadto, asa kamo moadto, because here the speaker is not included with the family outing. So, that's why she said, asa kamo moadto. So, the answer, muadto kami sa baybay. Tungod kay, because the speaker is not included, only the family is going to the baybay or the beach. All right. So we were gonna have the kamo later on. We have the kami first. So as what I have mentioned, kami is also first person plural, excluding the speaker. The speaker is not included. Kami, us, or we or us. Kami ay mga estudyante. This is subjective case. Kami ay mga estudyante. We are students. Muadto mi or muadto kami sa eskwelahan kada adlaw. So, objective case. Okay, objective case, object of the verb. Muadto kami sa eskwelahan kada adlaw. We go to school every day. So, if you are worker, you can say, trabahante kami, muadto kami sa opisina kada adlaw. Okay. Kami ay iisang pamilya. Usa kami, iisang pamilya. This is actually Tagalog, iisang pamilya. So, in Cebuano, you can say, kami ay usa. Kami kay usa ka pamilya. We are one family. Usa kami ka pamilya. Gadruing mi karon. We are making art now. Usa kami ka pamilya. I mix it up with Filipino again. Iisa or usa. Okay? Wait na. It's almost the same though. Usa og isa. Usa og iisa or usa. Here, Next, kamo. Kamo, all of you in English. Kamo or mo. Second person plural, excluding the first person. So, or excluding the speaker. So, kamo is the opposite of kami. So, if we look at the picture here, you will see what is it gonna mean. Okay, what is the meaning of it? You say, pagkaon na kamo og sugod. So the mother give an order to the rest of the family. Pagkaon na kamo og sugod. All of you start eating. So, see, all of you start eating. So, the speaker in here, in this case, the speaker is not eating yet. Maybe she still need to take something else in the kitchen, right? Okay, so she said, kamo, pagkaon na kamo is she order them to eat first. So, the family answered, oh, mukaon na kami og sugod. So, kami. So, the speaker is not included or the second person is not included. Okay? Kami, kamo. They are opposite. Okay? So, if all of them gonna eat together, they say kita. So, the first version of we, which is kita. Mangaon na ta. Let's eat. Did you got it? Did you get it? All right. Moving on to our third person plural pronoun, which is sila or them. Nanayaw sila, they are dancing. Usa sila ka pamilya, they are one family. So sila kay pamilya. Usa sila kay Pilipino. You can also say that. Okay, move on to the practice na takaron. Isulti ang correct nga personal pronoun. Kani siya, usa ni siya ka ang number one or ang una nga number kay kung tanaw nato ang picture, makita nato ni siya nga plural. So, what is this? Ito ay kani kay usa ni ka third person. Okay, third person. Number two also okay. Number one is third person plural. Number two is third person singular. Okay? Number three, you. Number three, si Juan blank. Okay, unsa ang naa sa blank? Unsa dapat nga personal pronoun? This is second person, okay? Objective or subjective. So, number three is object, okay? Objective case. Number four is subjective case. So, okay? So, you know it. Number five, gaun sa blank. So, objective. Number six, unsa ang gibuhat ni Juan? What is Juan doing? So, ang tubag ani would be third person singular. Okay? Third person singular. So, ang gibuhat kay blank. So, you're good. Okay? Daghan kaayong salamat hangtod sa sunod higayon. Amping kanunay ug bye-bye.